Hello guys, it's Dale here with a new day trading analysis. This time I'll be talking about New Zealand dollar, US dollar. But before I do that, just wanted to let you know we had a sale on my website on my Elite pack and Order Flow pack. Those are my best educational packs. The sale has already ended, but as you can see, it's still on the website and you can still get it before my web guys take it down later today. So if you're late with the purchase, and if you still want to get the Elite pack, which is a pack which you can get in here, that's the Elite pack. Or if you want to get the Order Flow pack discounted, the Order Flow pack is in here. Click Order Flow, scroll down a bit, you can get it in here. Also 50% discounted. So if you want the discount, I think that you have a couple of more hours before my web guys take the sale down. All right, so that's about that. Let me now switch to my day trading chart. This is it. This is the chart of New Zealand dollar, US dollar. It is a 30-minute chart, and what I wanted to talk about is this strong buying activity that took place yesterday. And as you can already see on the daily profile, there are a couple of significant volume zones in this area. Now what I'll do, I'll use my flexible volume profile just over the trend area. This is the trend area. That's the area which I'm most interested in, because this area represents an area where buyers were aggressively pushing the price upwards, and the heavy volume areas are places where those buyers were active the most and where they placed most of the long positions. I'm interested mostly in this significant volume cluster and this significant volume cluster. Those are the places where the buyers were most active, right? So the first volume cluster is beginning at 0.6739. This is the first strong support. And the second volume cluster begins at 0.6713. This is the second support. Now, those significant volume clusters should work as supports because the buyers who were active at those areas before should be active there again when there's a pullback. So when the price makes it back, then those buyers should become active and push the price upwards. And the same goes for the second area, and there also should be a buying reaction from there. It should be those buyers and those buyers defending the long positions which they placed there, and there should be at least some reaction from those two supports. A very similar scenario was in here. If you look in this downtrend, right? There were also a couple of significant volume clusters. The first one was this one. There was just a smaller reaction, actually, just around 10 pips, but that should be enough to take profit, or just a partial take profit. Then the second one, that was this one. This is the reaction to it. Then another one was this volume cluster. This was the reaction to this one. And then this volume cluster. Let me draw a straight line from there. This was the reaction to it. All right. So what I expect from the new volume clusters, we have this one and this one, is a similar reaction. The setup which I used here is called the trend setup, because you use it when there's a trend like in here or like in here, right? So yeah, that's about that. That's about the video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you found it useful, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time in some next video or in my members area. And until then, stay safe and happy trading.